G'day everyone, Big GT fan here. Today we're working on a car today, so we're doing a job. Yeah, we're doing some sanding on Keelee's car. I'll show you what's going on. Right, so the other week or other month, she went to the cash for cans, and she actually her boyfriend was driving, and Emma Rock backed into her, so it's actually stoveless. And me and my mate Stu today, we've actually pulled all this out here. Well, he's actually done a lot of it, so we pulled all this out. That was all stoved in there. We just got to do the bumper bar later, but today we're going to do some sanding on this, so once I'll get back to you when I'm set up. Alright, here we go. So we'll just massage this. I thought it was too slow. So what I'm doing here is I'm getting all the paint off. So the paint's good. So when we do the undercoat, then we'll hold it stick. As you can see, folks, it takes a lot of time, so just be patient with me. Eh? Bit there. There you go, folks. So that's getting out there. But this here was all stoved in. It was all caved in down here, around here. And up here, it's all caved in around there. As you can see, there's a bit still in there, but we can't get that out. So, and then Maroc did this. And then in the boot area, I can show you guys. In there, I've got to take the bumper bar off and do all that. So, yeah, it's a big job. So, but yeah, no, we're just getting this prepped. Just and I'll keep you up to date on it. But I won't bore you with all the sanding. I'm just going to put a short video out today, and just to show you guys what we're doing. And yeah, I shall get back to you later. I hope you liked the video today, and big GT fan out.